Well, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, or whatever day it may be while you're watching this video. But for us, we're a few days short of Christmas, and Santa dropped me off this brand new Grapple. And you may ask, well, don't you already have a Grapple, on the existing trailer with its rotator and things? But yes, I do. Well, why do you have a second one, you might ask? Because I think this one's pretty cool. So let me flip the camera around and I'll show you what we have going on. See, once you come to the conclusion that firewood really is a mental disorder, then everything makes sense. And I'm that kind of person where I saw a new shiny thing and went, hey, this is pretty cool. It's going to work right in with our motto of working hard to be lazy. And yes, you do see a chainsaw inside the Grapple. So yes, this is a 48-inch pass-through Grapple that does happen to have a 25-inch buck saw built right into it. So for today, I just wanted to show you this, get some feedback from you guys out there on what you thought about this. But my plan is, while we're going out with the trailers to collect logs and anything that's too long that wouldn't fit in the trailer itself, we can now buck it off right from, the trailer itself, not have to get off and fire up a chainsaw. The other piece that we're looking into using it for would be when we're using the brute force processors. Sometimes they're just a little bit too long that don't fit up on the deck, or you'd have some big, crooked, nasty stuff. We want to be able to cut that right off. I'll probably end up hanging it on the Bobcat E60 excavator. Just that way we can cut off, anything that's too long. The pile behind there, behind the machine, there's some in there that are probably 28 to 30 feet long, because the guy that dropped them off had a front-mounted log loader, so they were trailing pretty good over the back side of it all. So that's why we're getting into this new crazy attachment. And so just want to put this one out there just for building some interest. We do have one mounted on a trailer that's going to a customer in Canada, or not in Canada, in California, but this is the first one that we've been able to see and have here at our woodlot. So pricing, specs, and a full review to follow. Well, just a short little video to say hello and wish you all the best for this holiday season. And thanks for all the business this year. We've been extremely blessed, and I just don't want to forget where we came from, and we couldn't be here and do what we do without you guys and our customers. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. It's too cold out here. My tongue is frozen. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.